Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Etsy shipping labels with Shippo detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Etsy shipping labels with Shippo, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to your shop manager. Click on the Orders and Shipping tab to view your recent orders. Select the order for which you want to purchase a shipping label. You will see an option to create a shipping label. Click on that option, and then select Use Shippo for label creation. If this is your first time using Shippo, you may need to connect your Shippo account. Follow the prompts to authorize Shippo to access your Etsy information. Once connected, you will be directed back to the shipping label creation page. Enter the shipping details such as package size, weight, and shipping service. Choose your preferred carrier and delivery speed from the options provided. Review the shipping costs and confirm the information is accurate. After confirming, click on Buy Shipping Label to proceed with the purchase. Once the payment is processed, your shipping label will be generated. Click on the download link to save the shipping label to your device. Print your shipping label using a standard printer or a label printer. Attach the printed label securely to your package. Your package is now ready for shipment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.